Theta essentially token explicitly is a low-position cryptographic money as of now evaluated at 0.622562 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of 622.562 to 299, which is genuinely huge over the truly past a specialty couple of years digital forms of money, including data token laid out in essentially solid traction and the worldwide monetary world and certainly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks items and unfamiliar monetary forms forex in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and merchants truly are keen on digital currencies extremely. For example, Theta, since this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally brief time frame, or so they in every way that really matters thought. These profits are especially out of reach in really different business sectors, which is the justification for why most essentially moderate financial backers in every practical sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a huge piece of their money to this quickly creating resource class, or so they explicitly thought. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta extremely token to the level at 0.622562, where it at present especially sits amazingly. As currently referenced, Theta is a low-ranking digital currency because it is currently ranked 54th in the world. However, this ranking is not set in stone because it is calculated by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the digital asset, which is contrary to what most people think. In the case of Theta token, the market capitalization is still at 622,562 to 299. The real meaning of this border won't be clear until a lot later, which is why Vera was so upset on August 30th. Theta was valued at 0.620209 at the end of the two trading meetings. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m. or so. They thought that the price change rate over that time period added up to 2.19, which is really important. On August 29th, 7 days before, Theta truly token was traded at 0.747456 at the end of the exchange meeting, which is a change of 0% from its usual price. Because of Theta token, the market capitalization stays at 622,562 to 299. The real meaning of this border won't be known until later, which is usually very important. On July 19th, which was exactly a month before, the examiners traded Theta at 0.770328, which is 19.18 points away from where it is now. The Theta token price prediction wouldn't be complete without an explanation of the beginning and the intended use of the crypto uncertainty record that forms the basis of this prediction model, which is very important, as has already been mentioned. Most of the time, our experts and programmers are the ones who came up with the idea for QFIX. They have spent a lot of time trying to find the best way to evaluate the predicted market based on its predictability and put it into a visual structure. Also, the marker uses the best-in-class deep learning algorithm, which outputs and analyzes terabytes of verifiable market data. This way, our clients can get the most compact, understandable, and accurate Theta cost prediction, which will help them stay on top of things in the future, or so they thought. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps merchants figure out how popular a digital currency is and what its future prospects are. It has also been used to figure out how much of a share Theta buy and hold token has in the overall digital currency market, which shows that it has also been used to figure out how much of a share Theta token has in the overall digital currency market. In a real sense, the recipe for figuring out market value is pretty simple. The circulating supply of the cash in question is the same as its present price, which shows that the equation for figuring out market capitalization is pretty simple. The coursing supply of the money being referred to explicitly is increased by its essentially current cost as of the hour of compassing. The market capitalization of Theta for the most part remains at 622,562 to 299, enough to name it the 54th in every practical sense biggest coin in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner recently. On August 30th, the market capitalization of Theta kind of token in every way that really matters remained at 620,209,279 in a sort of huge manner. 7 days prior, on August 29th, the capitalization of Theta generally was 747,455,827 in a kind of large manner. A month prior, on July 19th. How much especially capital streaming around this essentially specific market sort of added up to 770,327,511, showing half this truly specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta pretty token to the level at 0.622562, where it presently truly sits. In a bit in large significant manner, most digital money financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an essentially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to especially endure disturbances, which for the most part are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. The biggest hoard of Theta tokens is 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,0 0.0000000000. They thought that there were about 1 million Theta coins left, but the current stock of the digital currency under study is actually 1 million. Theta, which is usually really big. This is a kind of sign for what the cost will be. Walden can't really be done without a description of the trading volume available question. This is because it is the metric that almost all cryptocurrency traders use to judge the strength of a trend and the appropriateness of a market move. For example, if a breakout to a potential gain is happening after a period of low trading volume, this is a sign that the trend is strong and the market is ready to move. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%. This price isn't just based on how the market works, it's also heavily influenced by how people feel. The recent ideas President Biden made about how cryptocurrency tax reporting standards should work have gotten the global cryptocurrency group very busy with discussions. Also, the financial markets are acting more cautiously after Chairman Powell's point